Hello everyone, today we'll be exploring a trail that's behind my house. We're probably not gonna see anything, but if we do, that'll be cool. It's a really big trail. I've seen like snakes, rabbits around here. Once I saw a javelina, but it was far away, so I was able to back up. Back here, it's very nice. It was built here, and if we walk around here, this is where I see snakes. There's a lot of holes in here, like right there, like over there, right there. Around here is where I see a lot of snakes. Yep, and I heard something in there. Sorry about that. I get chills sometimes. Not really much out here. There's a broken lawn chair. That's something. As of now, I don't see any snakes or anything. No rabbits back there. Why is it so blurry? Back there is usually where I see rabbits, but I don't see any. Lots of random just stuff. Even when I don't find anything, this trail's nice to walk. It's small but simple. It goes pretty far. Probably not gonna go that far, but I'll go for about like 10 to 20 seconds. Oh yeah, I don't see anything. Whoa, see? There's a bunch of stuff back there. Saw the bunny, there are birds. I'll head back now. Sorry, it probably wasn't that interesting, but if you ever want me to re-explore or go farther in, I will. There's a wheelbarrow back there. Well, that's nice. Alright, well, make sure to like and subscribe.